Head. Head. The head houses the brain and is located at the top of the body. Eyes. Eyes. Eyes allow us to see and perceive the world around us. Ears. Ears. Ears are responsible for hearing and maintaining balance.
Please like and subscribe our channel. It will help us to grow.
Nose. Nose. The nose is used for smelling and breathing. Mouth. Mouth. The mouth is used for eating, speaking, and various facial expressions. Lips. Lips. Lips cover the mouth and are important for speaking and expressions. Teeth. Teeth. Teeth are used for biting and chewing food. Tongue. Tongue. The tongue helps with tasting, swallowing, and speaking. Neck. Neck. The neck connects the head to the body and contains the throat. Shoulders. Shoulders. Shoulders provide support for the arms and allow their movement. Arms. Arms. Arms are used for various tasks, including reaching and lifting. Elbows. Elbows. Elbows are the joint connecting the upper and lower arm. Hands. Hands. Hands are versatile and used for grasping and manipulating objects. Fingers. Fingers. Fingers are the digits at the end of the hand and have many uses. Chest. Chest. The chest protects vital organs like the heart and lungs. Heart. Heart. The heart pumps blood throughout the body, keeping us alive. Lungs. Lungs. Lungs allow us to breathe by exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide. Stomach. Stomach. The stomach helps digest food through the process of digestion.
Please like and subscribe our channel. It will help us to grow.
Liver. Liver. The liver plays a role in filtering toxins from the blood. Kidneys. Kidneys. Kidneys filter waste from the blood and regulate fluid balance. Intestines. Intestines. The intestines aid in digesting food and absorbing nutrients. Legs. Legs. Legs support the body's weight and allow for walking and running. Knees. Knees. Knees are the joints connecting the upper and lower leg. Feet. Feet. Feet support the body and assist in walking and balance. Toes. Toes. Toes are the digits at the end of the foot and provide balance. Ankles. Ankles. Ankles join the foot to the leg and allow for flexibility. Back. Back. The back supports the spine and provides stability. Spine. Spine. The spine protects the spinal cord and allows for movement. Brain. Brain. The brain is the control center for the body and its functions. Skin. Skin. Skin is the body's largest organ, providing protection. Hair. Hair. Hair grows from the skin and has various functions. Nails. Nails. Nails protect the fingertips and have multiple uses. Eyebrows. Eyebrows. Eyebrows protect the eyes from sweat and debris. Eyelashes. Eyelashes. Eyelashes help protect the eyes by filtering dust. Cheeks. Cheeks. Cheeks are the fleshy part of the face on either side of the mouth. Chin. Chin. The chin is the prominent part of the lower jaw. Forehead. Forehead. The forehead is the part of the face above the eyes. Thighs. Thighs. Thighs are the upper part of the leg, between the hip and knee. Heels. Heels. Heels are the back part of the foot, supporting the body's weight. Armpits. Armpits. Armpits are the hollow areas under the arms. Navel. Navel. The navel is the scar from the umbilical cord attachment.